Mashonaland West, long regarded as a bastion of ZANU-PF dominance, is showing growing signs of political fatigue with the ruling party, as poor turnout in key internal party processes reveals a significant drop in support. Sanapenda mashoko kuda panguva ino kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ino ZANU-PF yoluza masupporters panapa kuchionekwa kunzi vanhu havachaendi kumameetings nekuwese kunenge kwakokerwa nekushedzwa kunzi aiwa vanhu ngavauye kumusangano. Sanapenda mashoko amudanyora panguva ino ndipo subscribe like on the bell kuti mna mzimbabwe adanyora chiti what was once a guaranteed support base for ZANU-PF under the late former President Robert Mugabe now appears to be a slipping away for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's grip. The party's self-verification exercise, a crucial step in selecting Central Committee members, has been met with widespread apathy, internal disunity, and even silent protest. In some districts, the message from grassroots members is clear: they are losing faith. In Sadc, the party is scrambling to replace expelled member Blessed Geza, whose call for Mnangagwa's ouster resonated with a growing faction disillusioned with the current leadership. Even with the high-profile figures like Mines Deputy Minister Polite Kambamora and businessman Jimaya Muduburi vying for the sport, enthusiasm remains low. Urungwe is no better, as a tense face-off between Ruben Mahoko and Ability Kandawa to replace jailed ex-deputy minister Terence Mukupe exposes further cracks. In Makonde, 4 contestants are locked in power struggle to fill the void left by Kindness Baraza, now the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. But it's the near empty venues and the paltry numbers that tell the real story. In Boni Hills, not a single attendee showed up. Chekuchi in Mangura attracted just 8 people, only 4 in Chinoi, an urban area increasingly restless under economic strain, reported a significant turnout of 550, a rare exception in a province once solidly red. Thomas Waruda panguva ino kuri kunokonza aiwa ZANU-PF iri kuluza support. Aiwa kuri kunokonza vanhu panguva ino havasina basa nebato iri rinoda kuti aiwa vari kuona kuti zvigananda ndizvo zviri kuitiwa panguva ino mune mapower struggles nemafactional fights aiwa nemafiring nemaexplosions zvakonzeresa confusion mubato. Mbotidze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tinakomesa section medu dzamafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.